Okay, we're in a pretty cool location today, but it's very, very windy. Let's have a play with the Avata and see if it's possible to fly in this. There is a little hole through those rocks. That was the intent, but I'm not sure what's going to happen with the wind. Let's see. Okay, let's have a looky, see how it's going to behave in this wind. It's so windy. Okay, well now we know we're going to go really fast, probably really fast towards the rocks, which is the issue. But see, there's the gap. Oh, I don't know. Oh, Jesus. Alright, I made it through once. I don't know if I dare do that again, especially from the other direction, because it's going to be wind pushing me towards the rocks, which might not be great. Let's take a looky down. There's another rock down here. Yeah, she's struggling so much in the wind. We're going to come back fast, so that's okay, but it could be too fast. But there's another rock this way. I'm nearly on maximum throttle, going super slow. Keep it over the sand just in case. When I left the house this morning, there was hardly any wind. Okay, let's check out the rock. Yeah, we're going really fast. Yeah, I don't go into that again with this wind. But we've done it once. So the other thing I want to come look at is in two rocks here in Perth, there is an old, it used to be like a water park type thing. Let's go check that out. That was not the best landing. Okay, so this is what two rocks used to be famous for. They used to be like a water park, not a water park, like a, I think they had dolphins and stuff like that. But now you can see it's all construction, and hopefully they're going to keep this guy. I don't know if they will. Oh, it's so windy. See if I can get a cool orbit, but the wind, some break up there as well. Let's try going out a bit further, like this. And that was a crash landing. So I think you used to be able to go inside it, or people have broken into it in some way and tried to climb up, because there's an entrance at the top as well. Okay, that was way too windy, so we've gone somewhere where it's a bit more sheltered and we can have some fun. Try a hand launch. Uh-oh, that was not what I was looking for, was it? Okay, don't do a hand launch like that, guys. All right, we have got some wires sticking out. Let's just check what just happened. Okay, this seems to be the issue. So the question is, do you reckon we can fix that? Where did that go? Okay, this is going to fix this, believe it or not. Should hold that together. So let's see if she takes off. Gimbal motor overloaded. Yep, we're back. Right, let's have a little look. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You got it, you got it. Okay, that doesn't sound good, does it? How does that fly back? Answer me that. Like, is this just like bulletproof? Well, not bulletproof because it's falling to pieces, but insane. Anyway, we're out of action. That's the video for today. I'm going to send this off to DJI. Let me know if you have any questions, requests, feedback. Obviously, don't fly stupid like I just done. And I'll speak to you guys in the next one.